Okay, so now we're on the ice. Actually driving on the ice now. Today there's a lot of people, more than the usual. They're like all the way over there too. Okay, I just set up my Eskimo Inferno. It is super easy to set up. It is fully insulated. Alright, let's go inside. As you see, you have plenty of space right here. You could put the heater right here, right there, or right there. I got my minnows here. And the bucket, you could put it right here, or you could put it on that corner right there. Dang. Right there. Oh, got him. Oh, he got away. No. Baby one.
Oh,
it's not that big. It's about 8 inch. This one is about, this one is 8 inch, but I'm gonna let him go because I'm gonna stay here for the whole day. Bye, buddy. There he goes. Oh, fuck. Too quick.
Is that ice cracking?
Yep. Oh, got him.
Really?
Yep. Oh, shit. Oh, it's a...
Is it a baby?
No, it's not a baby. It's an 8 inch.
Oh.
Let me measure it to the hole. Yeah, about 8 inch and a half. I'm gonna let this one go though.
Okay.
Alright. Go, buddy. Okay, so right now there's like a lot of fish, but they're not biting at the moment. A while ago they bite like crazy, but my girlfriend was kind of slow at recording, so they actually got off. And I actually let 2 go. And then I hooked up, I think 2 or 3, and then but then they got away because my camera girl, she was too slow. But it's okay because we're staying here for a whole day. Got him.
Is that a big one?
Let me measure it. Whoa. I didn't bring any ruler or measuring tape, so I'm just gonna measure it by the hole. The hole is 8 inches, so this one is 9 inches. Let's just keep him because we already released like 3. There goes my bait right there on the right hand corner. Okay, there's my bait right there. It's dropped. Okay, the fish is right here. Oop. Fish on. This one is I say like 9 inch or 10 inch. Let's see. Yeah, it's a 8.5. I'll just keep him. If we catch a better one, we'll just release him. Hopefully he's not dead. Okay, so right now it's about 5 o'clock, and then the biting has gone down a bit, and a lot of people is starting to come right now, so yep. Okay, so people usually hook the fish on the back of the head, but for me, I like to hook it like kind of in the middle or by the tail, so they're alive, so they stay alive. Yeah. Right now, I'm gonna use the black light to make my jig head glow, because the crappies in Minnetonka here, they seem to like glow head or glow jigs. You guys can't see the glow because of course the light is on. All right, here goes my bait.
Right now it's almost 6 and it's getting dark outside. A lot of people are coming in.
Hey guys, so I've been getting fish from left to right, but then I lost 2. One, I pulled it right out of the hole, but then it got off the hook and then went back in, couldn't catch it. And then one, I got it on this pole, but then as I reeled it in, somehow it got off. And then I got this one on this pole right here again, but this one is a bit small, so I'm gonna let it go. All right, goodbye, buddy. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. All right, there we go. All right. Just got this fish. Let me see. 7 inch. I guess I'll just take this one. If I got any bigger, I'll just switch it off.
That's a small one.
Yeah. I think I'm gonna release him.
Good enough, guys.
Oh shit. Yeah, I'm gonna release him. There you go.
Right now it's like 6.
Oh, he's not going down there.
7.
Alright. Hold on.
that another small one?
I think this one is 8-inch. I'm gonna just keep it so we could get limit and then just get out of here. I still want to stay, but you don't want to stay. Alright, she got her first fish.
Where is it?
I'm gonna take it off for you. Oh, this one is pretty big.
It is.
Let me see. This one is...
Yeah.
This one is like 10, 11 inch.
Okay.
Alright, since my girlfriend just caught a big fat one, we're gonna release this small one so we could stay for a bit longer.
Is it going?
Yeah, okay, there he goes.
No. Oh,
there you go. Okay, so we just hit limit and I'm gonna go home. Alright, that's it.
Alright, we're getting ready to go home, guys.